Alarm clock buzzing, let my conscience does. Same old mirror, don't know who I was. Coffee cold, prayers half spoken. Heart still beating, yeah, but it's broken. Mama said, girl, don't lose your faith. Life's a try and keep up anyway. I burned bridges, lost the cross at night. Said I'm done and picked another fight. I don't always feel forgiven, but I still talk like someone's listening. I say hallelujah somehow when the roof caves in, when I fall back down, and still reaching through the doubt. I don't know how, but I'm standing now. I ain't holy, I ain't proud, but I still whisper his name out loud. Yeah, I get lost, yeah, I fall, but I find hallelujah somehow. Neon flicker or something.
Old girl with a bottle, prayers on my lips. Life's been a gamble, I've been losing chips. Mama said, son, don't let the devil win. But these pills and whiskey keep calling me in. I see the cross on the wall, it's blowing dim. Every sin I commit feels like a hymn. I light another candle, say a prayer. God, if you hear me, I swear I'm trying to care. Am I closer to heaven, or just numb in a haze? Chasing salvation through a fog in Malays. I'm holding on tight, but I'm slipping away. Lord, show me the path out of night and day. Used to kneel on the floor, hands bruised from praying. Now I'm chasing highs, dragging just to feel I'm praying. Every syringe, every smoke bleeds a mark on my soul, but I still hear them whisper, boy, you can be whole. A preacher's words echo, but the Bible's too loud. I'm lost in temptation, wrapped in a shroud. But even in darkness, hopeless a flicker of light. I'm fighting these demons all through the night. Am I closer to heaven, or just numb in a haze? Chasing salvation through a fog in Malays. I'm holding on tight, but I'm slipping away. Lord, show me the path out of night and the day. I've been broken, I've been torn, drowning in bottles, dragging on warm. But grace ain't gone, spirit deep, even sex got a chance to keep. Yeah. Chance to keep. Yeah. Late night city streets feel like my confessional. Neon lights flicker, every deal feels professional. I pray through the smoke, bagging the brick through the pain. I'm decent with darkness, trying not to go insane. Every light I cross, every shot I take, Lord forgive me, I know it's my mistake. I want heaven, but I keep hitting my haze. So help me find peace through this endless maze. Am I closer to heaven, or just a numb in a haze? Chasing salvation through a fog in Malays. I'm holding on tight, but I'm slipping away. Oh, show me the path out of night in the day. Yeah.
I took a left turn off the county line. Found something I can't explain. He ain't the type you pictured for me. Driving old Chevy, lives wild and free. But I ain't ever felt this way. Guess some rules were made to break. And I know the talk will spread like fire, but I can't fight this pull, this desire. I met somebody, and he's got wild eyes, laughs like the wind, and pulls me to his side. He don't care about where I come from, but with him it feels like I finally belong. The town would call it trouble, no doubt, but I can't stop chasing what I found. Yeah, I'm chasing back roads and blue skies now. Last Friday, we watched the stars on the ridge, shared a blanket, kissed by the wooden bridge. Sure ain't the life I was raised to choose, but his world feels like it's meant for two. Every mile feels like breaking chains. Every laugh washes out the pain. I met somebody, and he's got wild eyes, laughs like the wind, and pulls me to his side. He don't care about where I come from, but with him it feels like I finally belong. The town would call it trouble, no doubt, but I can't stop chasing what I found. Yeah, I'm chasing back roads and blue skies now. Mama, I know this ain't the plan, but he sees me for who I am, not just the girl this small town knows. With him I'm more than the life I chose. If it's wrong to feel this free, then maybe wrong is where I need to be. 'Cause I met somebody, and he's got wild eyes, laughs like the wind, and pulls me to his side. He don't care about where I come from, but with him it feels like I finally belong. The town will call it trouble, no doubt, but I ain't about to turn around. Yeah, I'm chasing back roads and blue skies now. Chasing back roads and blue skies now. Back roads and blue skies now. Yeah, I'm chasing back roads and blue skies now. I was raised on sweet tea and sun-faded dreams, dust on my boots and a Bible on my knees. Daddy built this house with calloused hands. Mama filled it with faith, not fancy plans. We ain't got much, but it's always been enough. Where the porch swing creaks and the corn grows up. Lightning bugs and distant trains, ain't no mention, but I never trade for back porch prayers and firefly nights, bare feet dancing in the porch light, whiskey laughs and whispered hope, crickets singing soft and low. Yeah, we talk to the stars when the moon feels near. Ain't no church pew better than right here with the ones who love me and the Lord who hears. Back porch prayers wipe away them fears. The back porch prayers, they got me through the years. Used to sneak out with a wild heart grin, kiss that boy in the barn again. Made mistakes, broke a few old rules, but this dirt taught me more than school. Storms would come and I'd lose my way, but that swing was my saving grace. Back porch prayers and firefly nights, bare feet dancing in the porch light, whiskey laughs and whispered hope, crickets singing soft and low. Yeah, we talk to the stars when the moon feels near. Ain't no church pew better than right here with the ones who love me and the Lord who hears. Back porch prayers wipe away them fears. When the world gets loud and I feel small, I find my strength where the night birds call. No stained glass, just cedar wood, but somehow it still feels just as good. Back porch prayers and firefly nights, bare feet dancing in the porch light, whiskey laughs and whispered hope, crickets singing soft and low. Yeah, we talk to the stars when the moon feels near. Ain't no church pew better than right here with the ones who love me and the Lord who hears. Back porch prayers wipe away them fears. Back porch prayers every single year.
Dust kicks up beneath these worn out boots. I'm driving through memories and old dirt routes. Radio's playing our favorite tune, but it don't sound the same without you. I'm talking to the night, trying not to lose my mind. Ghosts in the rear view, but they're hard to leave behind. 'Cause without you, these empty roads don't feel like home. Just a long, lonely ride I'm making on my own. I'm searching for a light to guide me through the fight, trying to find peace under these open skies tonight.
promises and faded stars. Every mile marker's a story I can't tell, of love lost and lessons learned too well. And the silence screams louder than a thunderstorm, but I'm holding on, trying to weather this storm. 'Cause without you, these empty roads don't feel like home. Just a long, lonely ride I'm making on my own. I'm searching for a light to guide me through the fight, trying to find peace under these open skies. Maybe one day I'll find a way to let you go. Till then I'm just a drifter with a heart that won't slow. Every sunset's a promise I'm trying to keep, holding on to hope when the nights get too deep. 'Cause without you, these empty roads don't feel like home. Just a long, lonely ride I'm making on my own. I'm searching for a light to guide me through the fight, trying to find peace under these open skies tonight. So I'll keep rolling on with the wind in my back,